Hi guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from Marinemax, Pompano Beach. Give you a little walkthrough tour. Our brand new Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. It's our fish team boat. Got a lot going on here from Ray Marine, Seakeeper, and Boston Whaler. First of all, we got this thing equipped with triple Mercury Verado 400R racing motors. This thing flies. We just had this back from the Bahamas the other day. Nice seating. Dive door on the port side. Got some upgraded, look at this 10-inch subwoofer. 2 6s. Really unique custom design here from the guys at Ray Marine in our parts department. This huge 24-inch Ray Marine screen. Twin 7-inch Ray Marines. It's a lot of upgrades that you won't find from the factory. Of course, this boat's equipped with a Seakeeper stabilizer. This boat's rigged for our fishing setup. You can see we still got our rods in here from our trip. It's just a nice air-conditioned cabin. Great place to get out from a day of fishing. You're in the heat, you can come down here, have the air blow on you. Separate bulkhead, the toilet and shower. Let's go to the bow. You can see we got nice wide walkway gunnels. They come up, the bolster's nice and high, you see you're fighting a fish. You're not gonna fall overboard. Lots of rod holders on the boat. Again, you can go from fishing to family cruising in an instant. Look at this large sun pad on the front. Of course, we got it rigged out with radar. We got Doppler radar, we got open array 4K radar, FLIR thermal camera, 2 IP cameras. We're in awesome boat, and we can definitely do this here on any 380. If you want to be the best on the water, we got cameras set up so you can take, you know, pictures and videos, stills of your fishing, of your fish, you know, clients, customers, family, friends. Definitely loaded this boat out. Again, it's Justin Costello, Marinemax, Pompano Beach. Let's give you a little walkthrough tour on our new 380 Outrage fish team boat. 954-633-2070.